How to turn your active off on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can turn your active status off on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to turn your active status off on Instagram, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application, and then you will see this type of interface where you need to come to a profile page by tapping the profile icon from bottom right. Then you need to tap the three lines option from the top right of the screen. From here, simply go to the option known as messages and story replies and then tap on it. And when you tap on messages and story replies, you'll find another option over here known as show activity status. So make sure to tap on show activity status, and all you have to do is just turn off both of these toggles over here, and then your active status will get successfully turned off. This way you can turn your active off on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.